Hi there, I'm Robbie with 915 Industries out of San Antonio, Texas. In this video, we're going to be going over reverse engineering and 3D scanning a component. This item was sent in by a customer. He wants to see about doing a 3D scan of it, doing some reverse engineering, some little tasteful modifications, and then a small production batch. So hang with me and I'll show you what it takes to do this. So this is a transmission component. I believe it's out of a NV5500 transmission or 6500. It's the rear extension housing. So we're going to be doing a scan of it, get all the dimensions, put it into CAD, and go over it. So the first thing that I usually do, I usually just generally degrease the parts, clean them up a little bit. Nobody wants to mess with dirty stuff. My scanner, I use an Einstar Vega unit. It's not a very expensive unit. It's pretty handy. It's portable. It has a lot of power, and it's pretty capable for what it is. I'm going to be using something called marker alignment. That's why you see all these little stickers all the way around this thing that helps the scanner kind of keep track and know where this thing is at all times. Once we get a good scan of it, we'll put it into CAD and start doing some reverse engineering. I'll show you what a mesh file is, and I'll show you what an STL and OJB and all that good stuff is. So this is a 3D scanner I have. Like I said, it's an Einstar Vega. I'm going to go ahead and start doing a 3D scan of it, and then I'll show you guys a little clip of what it is. This part's a little boring, so we'll probably fast forward through it or something. Alright, we got our scan data. This is everything that we took a good representation of what's going on. I'll go over a little bit about the scanning aspects of it, but we got some pretty good data points here. Gonna do a process on it real quick and put it into the Star Vision is the program that I use with Einstar. It's their proprietary software for this thing. So I'll load it up in there and let y'all see what it looks like. Alright, so right now I have the Einstar unit. I have it connected to my computer. So we're going to do a file transfer. We're going to take that data that we downloaded into the Einstar scanner itself and then shoot it into the computer. Once we have it in there, I'll show you guys the 3D model and representation. And apparently my shop cat wants to say hello. Alright, as you can see, we got the scan data uploaded right here behind me. Wasn't perfect, but it works good for what we're doing. Like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to reverse engineer it. We're going to put it in CAD. We're just going to use this basically as tracing paper and remake the part in our own way. So as you can see, those little green highlighted areas are kind of voids and bubbles where the scanner obviously didn't get in there. I just did a very fast scan. It was literally probably about 2.5 minutes to do this whole thing. That's not a lot of time. I didn't do it on high definition or anything like that either. And like I said, this is something that's kind of quick and rough. We're only going to be using this basically as tracing paper on the CAD program. So as you can see, we've gotten our holes filled. And we'll move on to the next step. Thank you. Thank you for watching. The next episode, we'll be going over Fusion 360 program I use for CAD and show you guys what it took to kind of reverse engineer this thing. And then after that, we'll be 3D printing it.